Welcome back students to Smashub web development course. In this tutorial, we will learn about the rest of the CSS border properties. Third is the CSS border color. The border color property is used to set the color of the four borders. The color can be set by either using the color name or using the hex value or the RGB value or the HSL values. For example, I have written this code where I want to display a colored border around my text. Again, notice here that I have used border style along with border color as border color cannot be used alone. Now, in the first style attribute, I want a solid green border, and in the second, I want a dotted blue border. In the third, I want red top, green right, blue bottom, and yellow at the left border. In all these borders, I have used the color names. Next, I want a gray colored border around my text. In this, I have used hex values to define the color. Then in the fifth style attribute, I want a solid blue color border. Here, I have used RGB values, and in the last, I have used the HSL values where I want a solid red colored border. And this is the body section. Now when we run this code, we see that the different border colors are displayed here. From the previous examples, you have seen that it is possible to specify a different border from each side. The CSS border from the individual sides is used to specify each of the borders, that is top, right, bottom, and left. Like in this example, I have mentioned that the body section should be on the center, while in the style attribute, the border style is mentioned as dotted, solid, double, and dashed. It means that top border is dotted, right border is solid, bottom border is double, and left border is dashed. In the next border style, we see that the top border is dotted, the right and left borders are solid, and bottom border is double. In the third style attribute, we notice that the top and bottom borders are dotted and right and left borders are solid. In the fourth, we notice that all the four borders are dotted. Now, when we run this code, we see the output. Last is the CSS rounded borders. The CSS rounded borders has the border radius property, which is used to add rounded borders to an element. Like, for example, in this code, I have used the different border radius to display the rounded borders. Now, when we run this code, we see that more the value of border radius is, more rounded the border becomes. Thank you.